Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on BNZ Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bnz.co.nz and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for BNZ Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose from personal or business. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your access number within the prompted box and then type in your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your BNZ Bank account right away. Once you are logged in, click on credit card and you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, click on contact at the top right corner and now you can simply call on the mentioned number within this page in order to get in touch with the support team. Once you are within contact with the support team, you can simply let them know that you wish to cancel your card and they will provide you with the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on BNZ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.